Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue our number series. Stick with me. By the end, you'll definitely be able to say any number in Chinese with ease. Today, we're going to learn a number that many Chinese people absolutely love, the number 8. You might wonder, why do Chinese people like the number 8 so much? The reason lies in its pronunciation. This character is pronounced ba. In Chinese, the word fa in to get rich, fa cai, sounds very similar to ba. Because of this, the number 8 has become a symbol of wealth and good fortune. The Chinese character ba comes from ancient oracle bone script. In the earliest oracle bone inscriptions, this symbol didn't represent the number 8 at all. It originally meant to separate or to divide. If you look at its shape, it really does resemble two strokes splitting apart in opposite directions. Historians later discovered that when ancient people needed symbols to record numbers, they borrowed existing characters whose pronunciation was close to the number. Since the sound of ba was similar to the word for 8 at the time, they used this symbol to represent the number 8. As writing styles evolved throughout history, the character eventually developed into the modern form ba that we use today. Most of the time, ba simply refers to the number 8. Sometimes, however, it appears in words meaning all around or all sides. For example, ba fang means all directions. Ba mian means all sides. Now, let's practice reading it. Ba, ba, ba. The character ba has only two strokes, one left falling stroke and one right falling stroke. It's very simple to write. From left to right, write the left falling stroke first, then the right falling stroke. Notice that the two strokes are separate. Remember the character run? It also has two strokes, but unlike ba, the strokes in run are connected at the top, while the strokes in ba are completely separate. Now, I'd like to introduce one mysterious concept from ancient Chinese metaphysics, ba gua, the 8 trigrams. It is one of the most mysterious ideas in ancient China. Imagine people thousands of years ago trying to understand everything: the sky, the earth, the weather, even human behavior, using just 8 tiny symbols. Each symbol is made of broken and unbroken lines. The broken ones stand for yin, and the solid ones stand for yang. And when you put all 8 of them together, you get this iconic circular diagram, ba gua. According to legend, ancient sages could look at these patterns and read the universe. Some even believed it could help predict the future. Whether it really works or not, well, I'll let you decide. Let's look at another mystical idea from ancient China, ba zi, the 8 characters. The ancient Chinese people believed that the moment you were born, the universe stamped your life with a secret code. This code was hidden in your exact birth year, month, day, and hour. When written in the traditional way, these 4 details become 8 characters, and that's your ba zi. According to the old belief, these 8 characters could reveal everything: your personality, your strengths, your weaknesses, your love life, your career path, basically your whole life. Whether you believe in it or not, you have to admit, it sounds pretty magical. Haha, to be honest, I personally think it's kind of nonsense, but it's still fun to learn about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.